All right, how to change a flat tyre today.
Yep.
We have a new car, Isuzu D-Max from 2016. And what happened here?
Going down a hill and, would have been, yeah, have a look at this. So there's a nail
Look
on
at
the
that,
road.
wow.
And I just heard it pop, but thought it was fine for quite a while, but then had a look at it later and it was completely flat. And I mean, it's really flat, isn't it? It's just gone.
Yeah, this is dead.
Totally gone.
So the plan today for this video, we're gonna remove the hub off. We'll undo those, those 6 nuts there with the socket. And we have a spare tyre in there, correct? Like a spare tyre. Yep. Easy. Let's get to it. There we go. All right, and then it should just come off, hopefully. Okay, last one. There it is. That's off. There you go.
Wow.
Under this cushion, open that up, and there's your kit. So that is our tool to get the spare tyre out. That's the job. So yep, there it is. And then you use this little wrench, and that turns it. Turning it.
Oh wow.
The spare tyre. Right, we're putting on the new wheel.
Bit higher.
Bit higher.
Bottom. Should we just go a bit more?
Yep. Yeah, beautiful. Now we're going to tighten them down.
That wheel's dusty.
Yeah, we might give it a wash maybe, I don't know. That. Right, and one more. So you want to torque them in a little star pattern. So you spread the force evenly. There we go. One. And this one. Let's go to this one. So do it up tightish now, and then we'll do it fully later. Yep, good. This one. Very good. Last one. Okay, now we'll just do them all tight, so they're all very tight. Yep. Yep. Two more. Last one. We're going to inflate the tyres. How good this one is?
24.
13 PS. No!
Oh wow, really dark into it.
That was 13 PSI. Yep, that's the 20. Wheel is on. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. We'll do more together.
It's funny, I wanted to change the wheels.
The wheel.
I don't know.
Okay.
We've done quite a bit. I think I want to see if we can add like a little step or something here. Another sort of fold out set of steps or something. I don't know.
Yep.
But
look at that. He's done a great job. Roof rack, snorkel, bull bar.